Okay guys, so I'm going to show you very quickly how to start using this new feature inside of TikTok. There are lots of different ways to use it, so I'm just going to do one video for each one. So first of all, I'm going to go onto my drafts, and there is something here that I have already recorded. To get to the editor, press here, adjust clips, and now I am inside the video editor. Now this video here
on how you edit TikToks
is something I've already recorded inside of TikTok. However, I've also experimented. You don't have to, you can just upload an additional video, and I'm going to show you today how we do an overlay. So to do an overlay, you don't press that plus button there, because all that will do is insert another video at the end of this one. You need to go to the bottom right hand corner and press overlay. And then press plus overlay, the little button in the middle of the screen, sorry. I'm going to put this video inside of it and press next. Now you can pinch it in, pinch out, you can twist it, you can turn it, you can position it wherever you like, which is really good. So I'm just going to put that one there because I might add a little bit of text. There, that is literally it. That is all I'm going to do there. Now, if I wanted to, I could come along to here and I could split this literally by going like that. And then I could delete a part of the video if I wanted to, but I don't want to do that. You can undo split, which is really good, by these two little arrows here going backwards and forwards. So if you go left, it's undo something, and if you undo something and then you go back to what it was before, you can go use the other arrow to go the other way. Every time you click on the video, so this, I just clicked on the top video, now I'm going to be editing that video. If I want to edit the small video, I need to go on to that video. So that's it guys for today. If that is helpful, let me know, and I'm going to go on to another TikTok tutorial as well on the next one. In fact, I'm just going to shorten that for you like that. That's how you shorten it, just using those arrows. Should have explained that actually. There we go. Also, actually, I'm going to do this with the sound. So I don't want both sounds going.
I didn't ask you about anything.
So what I want to do is click on that one, go to volume, and literally turn the sound
tutorial
right
on how
down.
you edit TikToks within the TikTok app with
you don't hear the audio in the second video. You can also add different audios on different segments of the video, which is just amazing. I've been wanting to do that for ages, which is how I did this top video here, and I'm going to show you how to do that one as well. Let me know what you want to know how to do inside of this app, and I will do a tutorial for it. My next one is going to be how you edit a longer video and all the other editing skills there. Once you've done that guys, you literally press save, and that is it. You are good to go. I'm going to add my cover, which is going to be TikTok tutorial, and voila. I hope that was helpful. Let me know in the comments.